I get to drive this beauty around over the weekend. I don't know what year it is. What year do you think this is? 2020? It's got Lambo doors. Probably should unlock it first. I don't know what the top speed is, but I would imagine something like 180, possibly 200, but probably not 200. She's very purty. I need to find what year it is. Carbon fiber roof.
Is it a solar panel?
That's what I asked Brian. You gotta like squeeze yourself to get in here. It's a hybrid 4-cylinder, amazingly enough. So it's a supercar with a 4-cylinder. We got a little crack in the windshield. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, that's my ride for the weekend.